Final walkthrough of the Rollhouse of Wickliffe. At least the power is still on so we could get a good look at everything. This is the front desk. Hey, Cindy. The Rollhouse at one time, when it was first opened back in 1991, had 72 lanes. 48 of those lanes came from Shoregate lanes, and the other 24 came from Palisades 2. And 2 years after it first opened, they decided they wanted to expand it to 96 lanes, so they got 24 more lanes from Texas. And as we come up to lane 36 over here, these lanes were all from Shoregate lanes. It's safe to say that a lot of bowling alleys were closed, or by this place opening, a domino effect was created, causing other bowling alleys to close also, like Green Lanes. I think Eastgate Lanes and Mayfield Heights closed a lot of because of places like here and Menor P4 and Wickliffe Lanes. This was the place to go to back in the 90s and into the early 2000s. But with the rise of casinos and Round One Entertainment, Dave & Buster's, and just the growing trend of a lot of the older bowlers getting out of the bowling and younger kids not getting into it as much, the writing was on the wall for the Rollhouse of Wickliffe. And that is why it is closed. When you come to Rollhouse of Wickliffe, you can expect to be able to play a lot of things, and pool is one of them. But one thing that I never saw coming was bocce. This was a big mistake on the part of the bowling alley, thinking that they were going to capitalize on the local Italian community and putting bocce courts into a bowling alley. It never caught on, and it cost the bowling alley a lot of money. And for what? The way it is, the way you see it right now, is pretty much how it always was, empty. They're ready taking out the pin setters. I gotta laugh. All season long, I always knew the bowling alley was called the Rollhouse of Wickliffe, but the owners never wanted to change the name on the front of the marquee. That's never a good sign. No pun intended.